Alright, what's the setup? Them two 15s, XFL 1544s instead of the JLW 713 and a half. Let me tell you something, man. These mofos rock, man. When I say shake, I don't know, man. I mean, the difference between quality, I see the difference, but the power, way more powerful than the JL, bro. I mean, JL got a little bit deeper bass, but the much power these bring, bro, you're not gonna care about the quality. I mean, this covers it. You know what I'm saying? So this is it. Got a man kicker on there, like I said. Feel me? 0 gauge all in it. Ground wire, power wire. Feel me? Power wire go to the battery. Another fuse come out. Bang, bang, bang. Boom, bang, bang. Bam, there you go. You know, these are like 8 gauge or something. They thick. Like 8, 10 gauge or something. Going to the subs. Alright, man. Further ado.
On my enemies, on that ecstasy, sipping on that Hennessy. That's a killer recipe. I'm sliding on my enemies. Straight from them dungeons and out below. Ain't no flaws, ain't no flex, and no worry, just know I'm on it. These bitches, I'll take they show. You don't know the reason why we lurk. You don't know the reason why we murk. Kill motherfucker, we'll feel no hurt. 'Cause all we